Entryways create a first impression of the house, as that's the first thing you see when you enter the house. Gharpedia shares some small space entryway ideas to help you make the most of a limited area. Use a narrow console table to keep clutter at bay while adding a stylish touch to your entryway. Decorating the small entryway with wall-mounted storage, such as containers, boxes, planters, floating shelves, empty color bins, shoe racks etc. can make the space very inviting. Incorporate baskets or bins underneath the bench for easy shoe storage and to keep the area neat and tidy. Use waste planks to create shelves in small entryways. Add a small bench or stool for seating and is a convenient spot to put on or take off shoes. Hang a mirror on the wall to make the space feel larger and brighter. Plus, it's perfect for a last-minute outfit check before heading out the door. Placing rugs and carpets at the entryway makes sure that mug doesn't enter the house. Rugs also give the illusion of making your entryway appear as a separate area altogether. Decorate with a small indoor plant or vase of fresh flowers to bring a touch of nature into your entryway. Don't forget to personalize your entryway with a mix and match of artwork, photos, planter, shoe storage or a stylish rug to make it feel like home.